Alright, to begin with, in a clean pot, I transferred my freshly washed beef. To that, I add my brown cow skin known as bomo. You can cut this according to the shape you would like. And to that, I will add my already smoked, washed and deboned and washed banla fish. Everyone, this banla fish was smoked dry and it's super yummy. I never knew it can taste this way, everyone. So after adding that to season, I will be adding 1 full tablespoon of seasoning. To that, I add salt and then my already chopped onion. To that, I'll be adding my blended yellow chili pepper. If you're new to my channel, I don't cook soups without yellow chili pepper because of the flavor and aroma it gives. And a lot of my subscribers have learned to use yellow chili pepper to cook their soup and it gives them nice taste. Please always comment at the comment section. Let me know, always give me feedback at the comment section, everyone. So while that is aside on, here is our okra. If you've not seen okra before, this is exactly what it looks like. The mouth parts will be chopped off. Keep watching because I'm going to be showing you how you can cut this with the chopping board, the other way around. So okra is not in season, so it's quite expensive, but still affordable, everyone. So I'll be giving this a thorough wash. First, I'll be adding some salt. The reason for the salt is to help remove any germs and any green insects stick to the body which you might not see. So please wash this very well. Give it a proper wash, rinse and wash, rinse, because sometimes these okras are thrown on the floor and it's gather sand on its skin, so you have to give it a thorough wash if you don't want to eat sand while enjoying your soup. So keep watching. If this is your first time, you are highly welcome. So to cut this, it is a simple thing. Kindly take your knife, cut off the mouth, and then take the same knife to cut it into parts and then begin to slice or cut or dice according to the shape you would like, exactly what you see me do on the screen. If you don't have this energy for this, you can use your food processor, especially the one using cutting onions, okra and the likes. But I just love to use my hand to chop this because I love the shapes it gives to my soup. Now for the leaf, I will be using oziza leaf. Oziza leaf is super nice for anything draw soup, okra, obalo. So this is my oziza leaf. This is actually expensive too, but it is fine because it's dry season, so all these veggies are hard to come by. So I'll be washing and cutting this off the camera the same way you cut your ugu leaf, that is your vegetable leaf. It's the same way I'm going to cut this off camera. If you've watched my video up to this point and you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please hit that subscription bell button and then the notification bell to get alert. So everyone, you notice that the meat has enough water now, so I'll be allowing this to cook. I will allow the water to dry on that meat, giving it a nice flavor. And then to accompany the oziza leaf, I have what we call angara leaf. This is a super healthy leaf. It's a blood builder, everyone. So when I'm making vegetable soup, I make sure the leaf and everything goes well. It is veg, so it has to be vegetable soup, so I'm using this angara leaf. I'm adding it with the oziza leaf. Okra is also vegetable, so I want to make a vegetable soup, so everything about it is veggie. So I'll be using this angara leaf. If you don't know what angara leaf looks like, this is exactly what it looks like, in case you want to get this at the market so you know what you're buying. So I wash this off camera as well and also cut it off camera. So this is our meat. Now it is properly cooked, so at this point I'll be adding the quantity of water I need for the soup to cook. and allow this to cook just for 5 minutes. Once it starts boiling, we'll be adding the other things we need. Everyone keep watching, don't go away. Don't forget to like my videos and comment and share, and don't forget to watch the ads to support my channel. So after 5 minutes, I'll go ahead and add my already blended crayfish known as dried prawn. To that, I'll be adding some palm oil. Now, okra can be cooked in different methods. You can decide to fry the things, but in this, for health reasons, I'm not frying this. So that is why I just add the oil. So add oil according to how you would like it. So after allowing this, covering it to cook for 5 minutes on a medium flame, after adding the crayfish and the oil, the next thing is to add my okra. Now make sure you taste for salt, for pepper, and make sure everything is okay before adding this, because once you add this and start adding more salt and all of that, there is possibility of over adding the seasonings, everyone. So I will just mix this to combine on medium flame. Remember, this is vegetable, it does not need much heat or much flame to cook. Keep watching and don't go away. We are making okra soup, delicious and simple to make Nigerian soup. Isn't this a simple soup to make, everyone? Let me know at the comment section what you think about this. Okra soup is one of those Nigerian soup recipes, easy soup recipes to cook. Okay, so to this I will be adding my uziza as well as my aura leaf, and then mix this to combine just for a minute under a medium or low to medium flame, everyone. And after this, our soup is ready. Okra soup, like other Nigerian soups, can be eaten with any swallow of your choice, everyone. Fufu, eba, whatever swallow you would like to eat it with. So let me know at the comment section what you think about this simple, easy, simple ingredients soup we just prepared, everyone. And if you've watched my video up to this point, don't forget to like, comment and share. And if you've not subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe. And when you come to my channel, don't be in a hurry, because I have a lot of playlists on Nigerian traditional soups. So take your time and watch. All right, thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay connected, and bye for now.